My name is Heather, also known as CJ, and today we are going to be looking at my all-time favorite UniWigs human hair wig. This is Maylene. Maylene's 130% density, which at first was a little bit worrisome for me because I do not like anything over 100, maybe 110%. Typically, I like something that lays very flat to my head, very natural looking, but this wig is absolute perfection. I would describe Maylene as an ashy blonde, so I know a lot of you cool blonde ladies out there will really enjoy this one. Of course, she is 100% Remy human hair, so you can have her customized the way that you want her, color, cut, everything. All right, enough talking, let's try her on. Let's check her out in a little bit different lighting. Wigs with the ability to ear tuck are an essential for me. Maylene is 18 inches and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside of the cap right now. I've been hearing all good things about this Pure Fit grip cap. You can see this velvety type of material here. That is the same as your standard wig grip. So that eliminates the need to wear an external wig grip with this cap. I especially like that there are two sets of adjusters. So you get a very custom fit with this cap. The top is for ear-to-ear measurement, and then you have your typical circumference adjusters on the bottom. As per usual, a comb like this is handy in some situations, but if you don't like it, just go ahead and cut it right out. These silicone strips on the side are great for hold if you don't have hair. And on the top, we have a full monofilament, allowing you for parting in any direction. Now let's just take a second to look at this beautiful color in golden hour lighting. Alright, so let's head into my bathroom where we'll check her out in that lighting, and then I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to put my hair up under a baseball cap. These old phone cord type hair ties are perfect because they don't put a lot of tension on hair, and for a human hair wig that is going to support the longevity of your piece. What I'm doing right now is just separating a few pieces up front so I have some face framing layers, and then I'm going to go ahead and gather all of the rest of the hair back and just do a simple little ponytail, and we're not going to pull the last wraparound through completely. Now I'm going to grab my baseball cap and I'm going to take that little loop we made and pop it through that hole in the back of the cap. I want to make sure that you put your cap on a relatively loose setting. If it's too tight, it will eventually warp your lace up front when you wear hats in warm weather, so make sure that you have a lot of room. Now just take the little tail that was left down and pop it through the loop that you had made with your ponytail. After that, I'm going to grab a little claw clip and I am going to secure that piece right on the bottom. Such an easy, cute, and casual look for a sunny day out in spring weather.